Good morning, K3. Welcome back to a brand new day of learning. Do you know what day it is? Today is Thursday, that's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of October. That's right, October. Can you help me read the date? Let's do it. Today is Thursday, October 14th, 2021. Super, and this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Are you ready to start? Good. Stop, look, and listen. How many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? How many? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel, let's go. A, E, I, O, U, vowel, let's go. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. That's right. Okay, now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Let's read our vowel chart. Look, little happy face. Indian. Umbrella. Elephant. Apple. Ostrich. What does the elephant say? That's right. Okay, other side. Apple. Elephant. Indian. Ostrich. Umbrella. Super. The name of this letter is I. It makes a sound as in inchworm. I says I. You did so good on that. You get to move the little inchworm up. There he goes. He wants to get the apple. There he goes. The name of this letter is O. It makes a sound ah, as in ostrich. O says ah. Super. Let's move the other little inchworm. There he goes. Yay. The name of this letter is A. It makes a sound as in apple. A says ah. Super. Let's get to move the inchworm again. Whoop, don't fall, inchworm. I got it. Okay, there we go. He's almost to the apple. The other one wants some apple too. Help him. The name of this letter is U. It makes a sound as in umbrella. U says ah. Super. There goes the other inchworm. Yum, 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 yum. There they go. They're going to get the apple. Okay, last one. The name of this letter is E. It makes a sound as in elephant. E says What does the elephant say? Super! Now they both get to eat the apple. There they are, eating the yummy apple. Thanks for helping. Okay, those were our vowels. Now let's look at the consonants. Are you ready? Here we go. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T. Super. The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says L. Super duper duper. Yay. Awesome. Now, let's see. What do I have here? It's Tony the Tiger with our blend chart. Let's read them. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Bye, Tony. And we also have Lucy Lamb. La, 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 la. La, la, le, le, la. La, la, le, la, le. Le, la, le, la, la. You are learning. Super. Now look up here. I have some words. And do you notice that there's a little red happy face above the vowel? That's because it makes the short sound. So let's see. Let's start with our Lucy Lamb. We have it. And I'm going to say a word, and you're going to point to the blend. Okay? Can you do that? Lab. Point to the blend you hear. That's right. Lab. Next word. Are you ready? Listen. Leg. Leg. What blend do you hear? Point to it. That one. That's right. Lip. Next word. Lip. Lip. You don't need to see the words up there. You just need to listen. Lip. What blend do you hear? Lip. That's right. Okay, next one. Log. Log. What blend do you hear? La. That's right. Did you point to it? Super. Last word. Luck. Luck. What blend do you hear? This one? Luck. That's right. You guys are great listeners. Yes, you are. Okay, now we're going to do Tony the Tiger. Are you ready? Here we go. Tack. Tack. What blend do you hear? Point to it. Tack. That's right. Tin. Tin. What blend do you hear? Tack. That's right. Tip. Tip. What blend do you hear? Tip. That's right. Top. Top. What blend do you hear? Ta. That's right. Tag. Tag. What blend do you hear? Ta. You guys are just amazing. Okay, then it says letters and sounds, page 16. Here we go. Let's get our letters and sounds book out. And let's open it up to page 16 right here. Look, here's a girl and a boy. And here's butterflies and a dog. Or maybe we could say puppy. Should we say puppy? Because he's a little dog. Puppy. And here's a mug. And here's a duck. And here's a lily pad. And a fish. And a frog in a pond. It says circle the objects with the sound. Like umbrella. So let's do this. Butterfly has the sound. Puppy has the sound. Mug has the sound. And duck has the sound. Anything else that we see? I think that's it. Yeah. And you get to color the picture. I can't wait to see your picture. Okay, so that is our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.